Wondering what's in your Axllo back scrubber package? Let's find out! Every backer of the crowdfunding campaign will get a pack, which includes one telescopic scrubber, one normal, standard back scrubber, and a handy quick start guide. Crafted from high-quality, skin-friendly silicone, both scrubbers feature a dual-use design. One side has soft silicone bristles that fully lather up for a deep yet gentle cleanse. The other side is equipped with cylindrical touch points that promote blood circulation and provide a deep, relaxing massage. Made with 100% BPA-Free, medical-grade silicone bristles for gentle exfoliation, rust-resistant stainless steel for lasting durability. The telescopic back scrubber offers unmatched convenience. Its adjustable handle extends up to 90 centimeters, ensuring you can easily clean even the hardest-to-reach areas. It comes with a convenient floor stand as well as wall mounting provision for easy storage. Everything you need for the perfect shower routine is right here. Upgrade your self-care with Axllo's innovative back scrubbers. Back us today and experience a smarter way to shower. Innovative, refreshing, relaxing.